Welcome to AmpedToGlamp, and today we're going to give you a tour of the 2022 Alliance Avenue 36 BRM. First, we'll do the tour, and then we'll give you my pet peeve, Sherry's favorite feature, then we'll give you a build quality assessment. We also have one of the Alliance representatives to give us some good information about this unit. So let's do this.
I'm one of our general managers here at Alliance RV, and we're pretty excited to be debuting our all-new Avenue product. Avenue is what we call a mid-profile fifth wheel. In this segment, I just want to highlight a couple features that are very unique to the mid-pro segment. First and foremost, we went 101 inches wide. Another neat thing we did here, you can see behind me and over here as well, we went with 7-foot tall slide boxes. Again, very uncommon in this segment. But what it did for us was it gave us these huge atrium windows. It's just a great panoramic view. On this particular floor plan, we're super excited. This is our 36 BRM. Comes in about 39 feet, 4 inches. Dry weight's about 11,700 pounds. It's a bunkhouse with a bath and a half. So what's neat about this layout is there's going to be some similar floor plans out here, but what we've done is we were able to put, in my opinion, the living room slide on the correct side of the camper. What that means is, you know, I've got 3 little ones. I need to have eyes on them at all times, so now I can see them at my campsite. One of my favorite parts is the bunk room back here. Let me lighten these up just a tad for you. I'll show you a few things here. So you've got a double over double. They're both 56 by 74 sleeping areas. So, you know, we're pushing queen size on these. This is a big sleeping area with a ton of storage, ton of USBs, outlets, and lighting as well. We've also incorporated 4 massive drawers under this bottom bunk, and then we stagger these same size bunk up top with additional storage. Beauty about this, we hear this often, is we've got a hardwood barn door here that we can close and create privacy with. And then lastly, my favorite part that you just don't find a lot of is being able to have a half bath for whoever's sleeping back here. A lot of folks are probably still learning about Alliance RV. We are a customer-driven, customer-obsessed company. You know, that's our secret sauce.
What's your warranty?
So we offer a 3-year structural warranty. We offer a 1-year bumper-to-bumper warranty, which is normal. And then one really cool thing that we do in this category is we offer a full-time living warranty as well. That is uncommon.
That's very uncommon,
yes,
yeah.
In the mid-pro segment, it certainly is. So we're the kind of company that's going to always do the right thing.
What about solar? Is that an option?
It is. On Avenue, what we offer is we offer a 320-watt panel, 20-amp MPPT charge controller, a 2,000-watt inverter, and then we also have 5 dedicated outlets. The cool thing about our solar package is we can upgrade up to 960 watts. So 3 panels. You might even be able to get a little more up there, and all it takes is you changing the charge controller. It's a simple install. It's 4 wires, so it's definitely expandable to meet whatever that consumer's needs is.
Now, is the oven standard on
It
these
is.
models? Okay.
Yeah, it's a great question. Everything is standard.
Everything's standard.
Yeah, you know, we did that on purpose. We really wanted to streamline our options.
So you don't have any options?
We have the solar option.
Just solar.
And a king bed.
That's it.
That's it.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for spending some time with us.
Well, thanks for taking the time to talk to me.
Yeah, we really appreciate it.
You got it.
All
Have
right.
a great day.
You too.
Now let's come in and take a look at the kitchen. This is a big kitchen. Look at this.
This is nicer than some houses, John.
I know. This is pretty nice. I like this fixture. How do you like that?
It's wonderful.
Well, let's take a look over here. And as soon as you come in, you have your controls right up here. So everything you need is right here by the door. We have some lovely, look at these cabinets. Are these glass?
They're beautiful. It's like a frosted,
They are. It's a frosted glass. And then you have this shelf that has this backlight. Check that out.
That's really nice.
It looks like it has a couple of USB chargers in here too. And a little counter space right there. Here. Well, these are pretty good sized drawers. Very smooth. There's where your circuit breaker and a cabinet. And what's this next to the refrigerator? Look at that pantry. Let me get out of your way. Take a look in there.
That's really nice. I could see how you could live here full time.
You could in one of these, and I You know what? I'm vertically challenged, so hold on. Oh, I can get it. I don't know how useful that would be. You need a step ladder.
Sometimes you want to just put stuff away that you may not need every day.
Oh, you know what? That is true. I wouldn't have to go up there every day if it's something I didn't need. And here you have your refrigerator. I think these lock automatically. It's pretty cool.
Oh, so you don't have to worry about latching it.
No, you have to
for transit.
You have to pull back on this.
That's smart. I
to
like that a
unlock
lot.
it. Does it have an ice maker? Yes, it has an ice maker. And deep basket. And what's this? Oh, look at that. That's a pretty big drawer. Here we have our island with this nice deep sink and the fixture I said I liked.
Yeah, this is a really big sink here.
This is very nice. Let's see what's under it. Holy cow, look at that.
Oh my gosh, that's a lot of space, folks.
Imagine all the appliances you could put there.
Absolutely.
You could bring everything with you. And a couple of drawers that are small, but this has a very large one. It doesn't come out as far as I would think with being so deep. Alright, I think that's it for the island. There's nothing else there. There are power outlets on the front side of it. Over here in the kitchen we have some deep cabinets. Unfortunately, I'm not sure if this is the design of it, but it doesn't stay open. It closes slowly by itself. Your microwave. And a 3-burner stove. This one actually has an oven, and below the oven is more storage that matches the actual oven. Next to the oven we have some storage drawers. We have a cabinet.
And it looks like those storage drawers are reinforced to 90 pounds.
Oh, they do say they're reinforced. Stop reading the stickers. Another storage drawer that matches that other one. And a cabinet. Alright, and now let's go into the dining area. We have 2 chairs and a bench. And there is storage under here. And it's nice because it's hinged. Alright. Now,
Does that table go down?
This table does not, I don't think. No. Table's permanently up. And now, let's go into the living area. And here we have 2 lovely recliners. And guess what? I get to try them out. Hey, they're pretty nice.
Comfortable?
These are manual. They have a pull.
They look very comfortable.
Oh, yes, they are. You can continue the tour without me.
Get up, John.
All right. Also here across from the recliners we have your large screen TV and your fireplace.
Now, does that sound? Oh, those are the speakers there, right?
Yes, the speakers are here and here.
And it looks like your controls are right in the center.
Right here.
And then you have more storage up top, John.
Yes, you do. Look at this.
That's very nice.
Look at that.
I like that.
That is a lot of storage. And your TV does swivel, and it comes out a bit if you want it to.
Nice.
And that's the living room. We've already seen the bunkhouse with the rep, so let's move on to the master bedroom. And on the way, we'll stop at the bathroom. Watch your step. Hey, it's a bathroom. Now this shower also has a step up, I noticed. All right, well, this isn't as roomy as I expected in this type of vehicle, in a fifth wheel. So, but I mean, it's big, like this way, and it's wide, just not as tall.
What do you think of the fixtures?
They're simple and functional. I mean, these look nice, but I don't know.
Okay.
Let's see what's out here. We have some storage next to the toilet. And then behind me, where the sink is, we have your medicine cabinet, your sink, and your power outlets for the sink. And below that,
What, you need power outlets to work the sink, John?
yes, you know, sinks are, you know what they're for. Stop doing that to me. See, if people saw what you were doing, stop. Now we come into the bedroom.
So how comfy is the bed, John?
Well, let's see. You know, it's kind of an in-between bed. It's not as hard as some.
Looks like it's a good size, though.
It is. It's a nice sized bed, and I noticed the small end tables they have here. Nightstands have USB charging and 110 outlets on each side. We also have these barn-style doors here. Yeah, that's pretty nice.
So let's take a look in the closet, John.
Look at this. We have this shelf.
I like the lighting in here.
It is nice lighting.
Yeah, it's kind of neat.
And we have...
I don't know how functional it is.
No, it's kind of dark down below those lights. There might be more lights. I don't know.
On this side, there's a fitting over here for a dryer vent. So I don't know if there's plumbing right directly across from it for a washer. That's what would make sense to me, but I don't see any.
Yeah, there
Do
are
you want-
outlets here in case you put one in, I think, but I don't see the plumbing for it.
But I like these doors.
Yeah, they lean out a bit.
But it's not a lot of closet space.
No, it's not. But we do have this large dresser.
This is a very nice dresser. Let me turn around so folks can see it.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Ready? All right, we have 6 drawers. Now this size. Not bad. And there's
And you
plenty
have
of space.
4 windows in here, making it very
Ooh.
bright.
Yes, it is very bright here. And this bedroom also has its own dedicated AC. Okay, let's check out the outside. This unit has the current Rotaflex hitch and allows minor adjustments left and right to help you hook up your truck. In the front here, plenty of storage. This is also where your power inverter is, and your batteries. We have side access. Whoops, turned it the wrong way. Oh, we have access here to your propane. And another storage bay that goes all the way through. And it has cable outlets and a 110 power outlet as well. Now we pass by the stairs. This unit also has the Performance Running Gear system. The Performance Running Gear system gives you extra strength and rigidity in your running gear. All right, going further back, we have external power here. And today at the show, this unit is going for $79,995. And as we move back, we have a refrigerator and space for a cooktop or a griddle, so you can have your outdoor kitchen. And back here we have some rear storage. Nice. Here is your tank dump. And as we move up front, And here is where your power cable plugs in. And your water heater. And here's the other side of the storage and your wet bed. Your other propane tank. I'm not sure what your leveling system. All right, and we've worked our way all the way around the vehicle. So now it's time for me to give you my pet peeve, and Sherry will give you her favorite feature.
All right, Grumpy John.
My pet peeve, once again, is a shower. That shower is too small for a unit this big, in my opinion.
You sure it's not just you? You sure you haven't had one too many lemon Oreo cookies?
You know what? Lemon cookies don't make you sour. They're sweet.
That was a good one, John. I
That's
like that.
right.
Yeah, I like that one.
Yes.
Okay, let's head inside for my favorite feature.
Oh, let's go.
Well, I love this kitchen and decor, and it's hard not to say that this is my favorite feature because it's beautiful, and if I was picking two, this kitchen would be at the top of my list. But my favorite feature is this bunkhouse. This is just so great if you have kids. Even though you're on the road and you're in an RV, it gives them their own private space, which is what they need. And if you're using this as a full-timer, you know, it's fine when your kids are younger, but as they get older, once they get into those preteen, teen years, they need to have that space that they can just sort of retreat to. So that is my favorite feature. And now it's time for the build quality, so stay tuned, we'll be right back. Okay, there's a few things we found as we looked through this unit that were concerning to us. Let's start with how the drawers are stapled together. And yes, I did say stapled.
Yes, they are.
So we're gonna open up this first drawer over here, which is near the stove. Okay, look at this staple job right here. The wood is already splitting. The second issue has to do with the doors. Now, it's not just the doors that are underneath the sink on the island, but there are other doors like this as well. John, you want to show us?
Yes, down here they don't match. This one doesn't close all the way, it's warped. So this door is warped out. This one is okay, but this one won't close all the way because it's warped.
And there were other doors like that too, right?
Yes, the closet doors don't match up either.
And the other thing is, I always wonder when there's stuff that's left over that really isn't meant to be left over. John, you want to open that down there? What's missing a screw?
A lot of things, apparently.
Were they just thrown in there? I mean, that really says a lot about how things are done, right? Like, if you don't even have the quality control to remove screws, and then this board here is bad and it's already torn up over there. Okay, John, given the things that we found, how would you rate this?
6.5?
I think that's fair.
Yeah.
I was going to say 7, but I'll go with that because I have some concerns about what we can't see.
Yeah.
So, there you have it. That's our rating for build quality. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.